matches of the entire season. It's hard to believe, but nearly 2,900 teams participated in the first robotics competition around the world this year. Then, 607 of you made it to St. Louis. And now, we're down to 8. 8 teams that have made it to the final matches we will play this season of Recycle Rush. And because those 8 teams represent more than 600 teams that are here, almost 3,000 teams around the world that have competed this year, one of the most important things in first is gracious professionalism. And even though the competition out here is fierce, they're going to shake hands before this match to demonstrate the gracious professionalism that embodies everything that we have seen here. So one of the things that you can do to demonstrate your gracious professionalism is make first loud by cheering for all 8 of these teams as I announce them, regardless of who you're rooting for out here on the field. So let's go ahead and introduce our Red Alliance. They are the champions of the Hopper Field, and they have made it all the way to the finals. We're going to start off with team number 987.
First team, 987, hails from Las Vegas, Nevada. They're known as the High Rollers.
They're joined by team 2826.
First team, 2826, hails from Oshkosh, Wisconsin. It's Wave Robotics.
And team 2512.
They're the pride of Duluth, Minnesota. They're the Duluth East Daredevils.
And team 4265.
From Oak Ridge, Tennessee, first team 4265, the Secret City Wildbots.
And then we have the champions of the Newton Field, team 1671.
First team 1671 hails from Clovis, California. They're the Buchanan Bird Brain.
Team 118.
First team 118 hails from League City, Texas. They are the Robonauts.
Team 1678.
They're the pride of Davis, California. Let's hear it again for the Citrus Circuits.
And team 5012.
And the alternate for the Blue Alliance from Palmdale, California, Ripping Gear.
As the teams return to their places, we're about ready to start the final matches. Now we've got our Red Alliance, the team from the Hopper Field. They had an average score in the semifinals of 270 points. They're facing off against the champions from the Newton Field. They had an average score of 226 points. They've got their work cut out for them, but right now we've seen both of these alliances put up tremendous scores, so we're going to see what they can do out here on the field right now. Teams, are you ready? Are you ready? Is it going to be the Red Alliance? Is it going to be the Blue Alliance? Red, blue, red, blue. There's only one way for us to answer that question. It requires me getting off the field and the robots taking over. All right, teams, have a great match. The finals begin in 3, 2, 1, rush!
And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, 15 seconds of autonomous. All eyes now on the Red Alliance side of the field, making the quick turn. It's 28-26, runs into their alliance partner. Is it enough to get past? Referees look, no joy there. Period comes to a close, we're all tied up. Robot parts now on the field. That becomes an additional hazard to have to navigate around. 2 minutes left to go in the match. Drivers are at the controls. Human players trying to add a little unprocessed litter. Red Alliance now with 10 points. Blue Alliance is on the move. Back to the Red Alliance side of the field, far side. 28-26 goes ahead and makes a deposit on the scoring table. A six stack capped off with an unfilled recycling container. The Robots make their presence felt. Adding a six stack now for the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance out in front, 110-90. Red Alliance is on the move now, trying to narrow the gap. This is a close one, folks. It'll come right down to the wire. 60 seconds, that's 1 minute. 1 minute remaining in the match. The Robots make a quick turn for the Blue Alliance. They're loaded up, they've got a six stack. Capped off with an empty recycling container. It's up, it's scored. Blue Alliance again with the lead, 150-100. 40 seconds remaining in the match. Red Alliance is right there, the team out of Oshkosh with another six stack. This one capped off with a recycling container filled with litter, worth 42 points. Blue Alliance continuing to add to their lead now. Coming up on the 20-second mark, our score unofficially 234-154. Teams trying to maximize the points now. Put a little icing on the cake. Blue Alliance trying to extend their lead. The Red Alliance trying to narrow the gap. 3 seconds left, 2 seconds, 1 second. That's it. This one is over. Outstanding match play and even brought a smile to Dean Kamen's lips. 91, it is the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance coming on strong in the closing seconds of the match to really run away with it. And now, folks, we're going to kick it all the way back over to our match break desk for the detailed analysis. Dave, Blair, it's up to you.